Welcome back to this tutorial series. Today we are going to be showing you more ways you can make the best out of your Prozac Manager app. So if we log in, and when you've logged in and you select your organization, let's just introduce the different parts of this application so you can really make the best of all the features this application offers. So to the left would be the different menu links to the different pages for this sales dashboard, and so all your menu, the sidebar menus are all by the left hand side here. And from the last video we went to settings, right, to make changes to our organization settings, profile, and the other settings we're going to be exploring as we go on. But for now, let me show you for when you have more than one organization. Here is the switcher. You can switch between the different organizations that you own or that you are a part of. So someone might invite you to join the organization. You'll be able to switch to that organization from here. So you can switch between organizations from just this drop down here. Okay, and this icon here is the link to your landing page. So every your organization would have its own landing page. So if we click on this, it's going to view our landing page, and this page you can share it with others. You can share it with others, right? And this is the link, this is the URL. You can share this, okay? And it's going to be publicly accessible. Anyone who gets this link would be able to land on your page, okay? And so from your dashboard, this is the icon we just clicked. Now the other one is this dashboard switcher. This dashboard switcher is what you use to switch between dashboards. So this is the sales dashboard. We can move on to the CRM dashboard where we have another set of features, or we can go to the assets dashboard for managing assets, and we still explore the different features we have here. And then we have a projects dashboard, and we also have logistics dashboard, and lastly we have the HR dashboard. So we have all these dashboards. You can see how they have their different menu links, sidebar menus for their dashboard by the left hand side, and this is the dashboard switcher, okay? And if you click on this house here, you're going to be going back to the home page, this first page. So since we are logged in, we can easily navigate to any of the dashboards from here as well. So we're in the CRM. So from CRM, okay, you can go to any dashboard. So I want to introduce something to you, which is your default dashboard. You can set the default dashboard for your organization so that when someone lands on your when someone logs in and selects your organization, we can set a default dashboard. So look at default dashboard. It's currently set to sales management. That's why when we land on when we logged in and selected Quality Control Inc., we landed in the sales management dashboard. So we can select any dashboard we want, right? And then also there's another interesting part here, which is your custom dashboard. So you can see, you'd agree with me that we have so many pages here in CRM dashboard, in sales dashboard. We have loads of pages, right? Different things, and your organization may not need to be using all of them. It might be overwhelming, too many pages, right? So you can come to settings and edit your custom dashboard. So dashboard builder, right? You can navigate to the different pages, and you can include whatever pages you'd want to see. So for instance, if your organization gets to use let's say email manager, you can include So when anyone you click is added here, and you can move its order, you know, up or down like that, right? So you can go to assets, and you can include assets if you want it to be your custom dashboard. So if I say save dashboard, we're going to have still these three only in our custom dashboard, right? These three in our custom dashboard, 1, 2, 3. I think the settings is always going to be in all of them, and we can also go ahead to set the custom dashboard, okay, as our default dashboard if we want. So what we've covered so far in this video, I've just shown you how to go to your landing page. I showed you where you can find the menus, the side menu items by the left hand side. I also showed you the dashboard, the organization switcher to switch between organizations, the drop down, and then I showed you the dashboard switcher. Then I went on to show you how you can also customize your dashboard, you know, so that you'd have just the pages that are relevant to the work you're doing within your organization. Okay, so then some other things to quickly show. Yes, this is the home page. We have so that's the home page. Then we have notifications. Your notifications are going to be living here. You'll be seeing all your notifications here as they come. And then this is the logout button. Then there's this question mark, which is for support. When you click on it, the WhatsApp icon, floating action button appears. You can click on it, and then you can go on to send a message to support, and you get help at the other side of the chats, right? So those are, then this is logout if you need to log out. We have this link takes you back to profile up here. Okay, back to profile settings actually. All right, so because this user is currently on the trial plan, hence we see the number of days since they created the account, and also you have 90 days to try out the application to just be sure that it serves all the purposes you'd want, like it fits or it suits your business. So you have to decide by trying it out, and then that's why this banner is here. So that's what we've covered today. We'll continue looking at other features and other things we can do with the Pozag Manager app on our subsequent videos.